So somebody actually asked, aren't you required to make so many purchases per year to keep your account open? It's not that you're making so many purchases per year. You're just being active with your credit card. If you go more than 6 months sometimes without using your credit card, they're going to close your card due to inactivity. And I remember when I first got into like getting credit cards, and I remember I had got from Z Gallery, I got approved for like a $4,000 credit card, and I wanted to do like a massive makeover in my house. And I was just like, listen, I'd rather spend my money towards investments. And I never used that credit card. I think after like a year, after about a year, they closed it due to inactivity. And that was a $4,000 credit card. And with a $4,000 credit card, that credit card was actually good for my utilization. Say if I was to use that money to fix up something or to use it as an investment, if I was to use my credit for that, use my credit cards, if I had that $4,000 credit card, then that can help with my utilization because I'm not using it. But the fact that I was not using that credit card, that's why they closed it. But usually, like I said, it's about every 6 months you should at least spice something on it, right? And I see a lot of people ask for an increase on their credit cards, but they don't even use them. Like, you don't even use your credit cards, but you asking for an increase. That increase means that you're going to use more credit, and you don't have as much credit available as you need to have available to really buy what you need to or purchase what you need to purchase. So if you're looking to get an increase on your credit card, make sure you spend a lot on your credit card, but just pay it off right away. So usually, like with my Navy Fed credit card, what I'm doing right now, I'm just maxing it out, I'm paying it off. I'm maxing it out, I'm paying it off. So you guys can actually try that too, but don't get caught with that balance. You have to make sure you pay that balance before they report it to the credit bureaus. And just make sure all of your credit cards that you have that you definitely want to keep open, because remember, we won't age. We want all of our credit cards to stay open, even if we're not using it. Make sure you guys are spending at least $5 on it. Spend something. Show that you're actively using it, and then they won't close that account on your credit report.